Hello friends, in today's video we will learn simple thing about the use of how to use the hot plates. So usually the hot plates are used for uniform mixing of the liquid, okay, or you can say that for even heating. So these works as a hot plate also, and for homogenizing the solution we have to stir this. So this is my speed in rpm, so it can go from maximum 0 to 1600 rpm, and this is the temperature. We can go from here to 500 etc, okay. And this is another kind of stirrer. So if you see here, so it goes from, so it's like showing numbers, so it goes from 0 to 6, so probably it is from 0 to 1200 rpm, and this is the temperature. So it goes from 0 to scale, so scaling, right? So suppose this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then, or if it is reading like from 0 to 1, it is showing 50, so it is from 50 degree to from 0 to 300 degrees C, okay. So this is another kind of stirrer or a hot plate. Now this one, if you see this one, so this one also goes from 0 to max 300, unlike it was 0 to 500, and this one goes from 1 to 9 scale. So suppose this is 50 rpm, so it will go from 0 to 450 rpm, or if it is 50, it will go from till, yani if says one stretch reads 100, so it will go from 0 to 900 rpm, or if it reads 1 to 2 reads 200, so it goes from 1 to 1800 rpm. So these are three kind of hot plate, or you can say hot plate stirrer, or you can say temperature control stirrer. This is my another two type of hot plate stirrer. So you can see here, this also shows from 0 to max 500, and this also shows from 16 to 1600 rpm. So this is the same one, and this one also is same. And now this one, usually it's directly opening from here. So this one has a wire, so it is connected here. Okay, to make sure, so this is my switch here. So from switch here, and you can see here, we can increase, okay. So suppose I am transferring it here, okay, and this is the temperature, so we can increase the temperature here, okay. And suppose you want to, okay, so simultaneously you can increase the speed as well as the temperature, okay. So these are various kind of hot plate stirrer that we have in the laboratory, and as I told you earlier, these are used for mixing of solutions, mixing of stock solutions. So we can mix water with oil, we can mix water with antibiotic, we can mix water with metals. So we can make different kind of emulsions in the water, or make different kind of stock solutions, okay, even organic solutions, or the solution containing the metals, heavy metals, organics. So this is all about the usage of the hot plate stirrer in the laboratory.